All right. Forgot to show reassembling it, so I'm just gonna start videoing now. And yeah, so take this apart here. Little pinning tray over. Here, let's get the key in. Take our C-clamp off. Actually, let's get our top pins out first. Key pins. So there's pin 1. Where'd my tweezers go? There we go. And pin 1. That's 5, 3, and 2. And there's 4. And now, turn this way. And take our C-clamp off. There we go. And now, don't need the key anymore. Pull this one at a time. Tweezers, do. Boop, boop. We got us our first spool. And, oh wait, hold on, that's pin 1. Spool goes there. There we go. 2. Spool in 4. Come on. Serrated in 3. Serrated in 2. Serrated in 1. I know this because I already did this. And springs. Yada, yada, yada. Spring, and spring, and spring. Spring, sprung, and spring. Now, to put it all back together, go get our springling on. And put one in. 1. And 2. And 3. Yep, maybe. Are you too good for your home? And we're coming back for these. Oop. Try again. If we end up on this carpet, we're going to have us a problem. This would be a lot easier if I had real tools. Now, start putting our stuff back together. Put our serrated pin in one, well, maybe. Go back to your home. Go back home. Country roads, take me home. There we go. To the place I belong. West Virginia. Mountain Mama. I don't know who's going to review this, but hopefully you're having a little bit of a laugh at my expense. And spool. Zoop. And slide. Placing spools is so much easier. Do that. And put our key in so we don't break anything. And put on our C-clamp. Boop. Hey, first try. Look at me. And do this number. And go, no. Whoop. Try again. Line these up. Uno. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco. Turn the guy over. Now, oop, duh. Let's try that again. Get that guy situated there. Don't close it. Smarty pants. Go. Put this dude back on. Go like that. And like that. And this guy down here. Go home. There we go. Yep. Come back. Electric works fine for taking it apart, but apparently not for putting it back. All right. Here we go. And boop, back together.